Hi guys, everyone. Hi guys. I think I got something from. Don't know what this is, but I figured out. I don't know what this is, but let's see. The packaging is so like. Let's see. Oh, from Butterly. Oh, I got something from Butterly. Okay, so it's Butterly. And I got Pan Max. It's the sample. So I have to put a review for this. So let's see. Smells weird, but what is this? Health prevents recurrent urine tract infections. I've had it by a long time. So just yeah, so I got this from Butterly. This is so I gotta do this again. So yeah, that's all guys. Okay, bye. And this is this Butterly sample. It was free, it was not money, it was free. So basically that's all. Okay, bye guys.